Malmstrom Air Force Base is happy to announce the opening of our state-of-the-art Mind Gym. Mind Gym is a resource available to every person with base access, including dependents and retirees. Located on the second floor of Building 500, Mind Gym is 100% free to use, and you can book your session today from your phone. So, what is Mind Gym? It is a way to exercise your mind just like you would exercise any other muscle at a normal gym. There are different sessions to choose from, each ranging from 5 to 15 minutes long. Sessions are targeted towards improving performance, reducing stress and anxiety, increasing awareness, or better sleep. When you arrive for your scheduled session, you'll begin by signing in at the computer. If this is your first time using Mind Gym, you'll be prompted to create an account. Following the steps on the screen, finish setting up your account and then select your session. You will then unplug the sensor headband from the charger and place it across your brow. Follow the instructions to ensure the proper fit. Step into the Mind Gym. Close the door behind you and place the headphones over your ears as you sit in the chair. As the session begins, there will be a 2-minute calibration period. Sit back and enjoy the experience. Once your session is over, please remove your sensor and place it back on the charger. Make sure you log out of your account. Mind Gym is a sanctuary for relaxation, focus, and personal growth, and offers a variety of resources and tools to support your mental fitness journey. Book your session today here at Malmstrom Air Force Base.